Since 2020, Oraimo has emerged as the go-to brand for Nigerians looking for good quality accessories at affordable prices. They have nurtured and maintained that reputation across their wide range of products, most notably their Earpods, effectively establishing the brand as the champion of the budget sector. But what if another contender steps into the ring and decides to challenge for that title? In this video, we'll be putting Oraimo's most affordable earpod, the Freepods Lite, up against this new contender to find out which one is the best budget earpod. And our winner will be decided by these 8 categories. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves. This battle will be fierce. It will be tense. Will Oraimo lose its crown, or will this new contender bow out in shame? Starting off with round 1, the unboxing experience. Which one of these offer more value straight out of the box? And this is one area where the Freepods Lite shines effortlessly, as we get a manual, charging cable, the AirPods, and replaceable ear tips. Rexi on the other hand gives us a manual, charging cable, the AirPods, but nothing else. I mean, to be fair, Rexi's design does not require replaceable ear tips, but in this category, Oraimo definitely offers more value out of the box and wins this first round. However, Rexi quickly counters in the next 2 areas of design and comfort. Design is subjective, but I like to try out new things, and that is why I prefer the oval-like design of the Rexi Buds over the normal rectangular design we see on the Freepods Lite. Rexi is also notably lighter, and that means less strain on your ears if you intend to listen to music or watch movies for several hours at a time. And that puts the Rexi Buds in the lead. But we still have 5 more areas to touch. Can Oraimo catch up? Let's find out. Round 4. Both earpods sound very good, although the Rexi Buds give a more balanced sound across the bass, mids, and vocals, while the Freepods Lite sounds a bit harsh, especially when you are listening on high volume. But that is where the Oraimo sound app comes in, with an equalizer that basically allows you to tune your own custom sound or choose from any of these presets. And it does make a significant difference to the listening experience. So this round goes to Oraimo, tying the scores at 2-2. It's still anybody's game at this point, but next up we are testing something very important, calls, and we'll be looking at the quality of the microphones and noise cancellation. But before I share my opinion, listen to it for yourself. This is the audio quality you get with the Freepods Lite, and this is the audio quality you'll get on the Rexi Buds. Neither of them is perfect. The Freepods Lite is loud with a lot of background noise, and while the Rexi Buds do a better job at filtering out the noise, the volume is notably low. That being said, I'll take a low, clear message over a loud but incoherent conversation any day. Rexi wins this round. Let's quickly talk about controls and pricing. Both these earpods support touch controls, so you can pick calls, play or pause music, and even reduce or increase volume just by tapping the pods. It's all listed in the manual. But the Freepods Lite has an edge here because with the sound app, you can tweak these controls to your liking. Once again, the sound app secures the win for Oraimo. In the area of pricing, there's really not much difference. I got this for 17k and 16k respectively, just 1k difference, so I'll leave this as a draw. Once again, the scores are tied. Seems like someone needs to wipe Oraimo cord for neck. Battery is our final category, and this is what will decide our winner. Oraimo boldly promises 40 hours, 7 hours from the pods, and an extra 33 hours with the charging case. I ran my own test and it wasn't far off. It took a total of 6 hours and 40 minutes for me to fully drain the Freepods Lite, and this was at 100% volume. With the Rexi Buds, battery is not mentioned anywhere on the package, but it took about 4 hours 30 minutes to fully drain this earpod, also at 100% volume. Now, even though battery life is not clearly stated, with some very complicated and maybe outlandish math, I arrived at this. If the Freepods Lite with a 40 mAh capacity and 500 mAh charging case gives us a total of 40 hours playtime, then Rexi's 30 mAh pods and 300 mAh charging case would only last you about 20 hours before you need to charge again, making Oraimo the clear winner in this category. And of course, the overall winner of this battle. Does it really feel like a win for Oraimo though? Let me know what you think in the comments. Which one of these would you prefer?